I'm scared.
Go ahead.
You do it, Dad. It's like paddling.
Go ahead. This is a little turtle we found today.
Mommy, right?
ahead.
I'm scared.
No, just grab him from the
From the shell.
shelf.
Just
If
grab
I
it.
grab him just put aside, he's gonna scratch me.
No,
No.
see, look, you grab him here. See?
See? And then he closes up. Go
Oh.
ahead, hold him. Go ahead.
Grab him on the side.
No, and you gotta hold the whole shell. He's not gonna bite you. His head can't reach around the side.
Right.
There you go.
Now, put your hand in and place him
Gently.
slowly on the rock.
Gently.
Okay, keep going.
It's okay.
See?
See? Yes. I'm gonna cut that back, please.
He wanna put his head out.
So what do we name the turtle?
Prince
No.
Cosmo?
Prince Comet.
Yeah, Prince Comet.
Did that work?
Yeah, Prince Comet.
Prince Comet.
Okay, Prince Comet, you can stick your head and hands and tail out.
He will. You've got to give him a minute.
He's got to get used to his own home.
Right. See, this is new for
Get
him.
down, get down. I'm going to down the wall.
He'll go out. You got to give him some time.
He's never been in it.
No, so he's got to learn his new home.
Can we explore? Can I put the food in?
Now, this food, Anissa. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes.
Can I put it in?
Just give him some
You
time.
in the water?
Yeah.
Put it in.
Okay, wait a minute. Stand
Oh, he
back.
went under the rock.
Let him get used to
He's
it.
under the rock.
Okay, he's gonna swim. And that's really good water too, so
He's
it
under
should
the
be
rock.
alright.
He's under the leaf.
Well, we put the plant in, so
He's
it's almost...
stuck.
He'll figure it out, honey.
He's trying to get out.
Give him some
Look, he's looking at me. Like, where'd you put me in? Who put me in here? Anthony, you moved it. Now he's over there. Hi, turtle. I want to put the food in. Look at his mirror. Hi, turtle. Open the food.